Hello friends, welcome back to Tiny Rooms Therapy. As promised, I'm doing making-offs again. In today's session, I'll make this pretty little French country-style armoire. I designed all the parts of the wardrobe and created PNG and SVG files, which allows for the cutting of this project with a cricut maker or a silhouette machine, or a laser cutter. Of course, you can cut the pieces by hand, simply by using the templates and your trusted craft knife. I have cut the wardrobe structure parts from 1.5mm matte board. For the trim, I have used heavy cardstock. I start by gluing little pieces of paper on the edge of the side wall trim. These are the hinges. Glue these on the side wall. Then gluing that to the door panel. Now I add the outer door trim plus the inner trim panels. Next I glue the base to the back. The base is very slightly wider than the back. Now glue in the side parts with the connected door. This is the bottom decoration. Glue it on the base panel. The legs are just angular glued little matte board pieces. Now let's make the drawers. All parts fit perfectly together. Just cut them with the templates or with the cutting machine files. Marking the spaces for the shelves and gluing them in. This is the trim for the crown molding. Glue the strips together. When the glue is dry, I sand the edges, making the trim softly rounded. Preparing the miter cut and cut it with my craft knife. Marking the other side. And this is the side part. Looks nice already. Now I glue the top on. Time to put the drawers in. After cutting all the parts, it took me just about an hour to finish this pretty little armoire. Now let's make the hardware also. I use this metal bead cap, cutting a piece, bending the ends apart, and there is my small ironwork. Using my beloved wood glue to attach the pieces. And done! I have been thinking about painting it, but the matte board and cardstock look so clean and nice, so I decided to let it just as it is. If you want to paint yours, use thin layers of acrylic paint. The ebook tutorial, including templates and cut files for the cricut and silhouette machines, is now available in my Etsy store. And this is it for today. Did you like this video? Then please share with other miniature fans and also hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. This really helps a lot. If you have questions, just ask me in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!